Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to the Sky Network Show, Season 5, Episode 11. Thank you for taking this time out and joining us. Today's show will be a little bit short because it will be just me and I'm also currently traveling, as well as Yogesh and Richie both are also occupied. So we will not have much of a conversation on this show today. It will be specifically towards the um, letting the people know about the updates on whatever has been happening so far and where we have reached in the current stage, because as you guys know that this quarter one, was supposed to be the most exciting, I mean, time for our community. I know that it's not exactly what you guys loved, but it is something which was really required for us, and we are doing an amazing job when it comes to creating this new infrastructure and getting onto that part where basically it is the time where we are uh, becoming so it is a time of metamorphism, basically. I've also told about this before. So what metamorphism is? It is when any insect matures and transforms into an adult from larva stage. So that's what we are right now, and where we are, about to be the real Sky network, which we have always enjoyed, which was the vision at the start. Uh, so just to give you like a brief update, what are the things we have already completed so far. So let's start with Sky listing is already there, working good. Sky Sentinels, as I said, we are ready, but we are on the custodial services for our DAO. Once we have that jurisdiction set up, we'll be able to launch the Sky Sentinel and start raising funds from there for the market making. That should add more liquidity on our decentralized exchanges as well as centralized exchanges. So that is something which is ongoing. The second key component is Sky Army's new version. So here we can say that we did promised it to be available on 16th of March. So the work is already progressing. Let me update it. Um, so right now the skyarmy.com is, as you can see that yeah, it is available and it works. There are some issues. So for example, some people were seeing that for some of the older tokens it was really yeah, I mean, there are issues and there are upgrades going on, but nonetheless this is at least the current version is working, and in as promised on 16th we will have a new version. So let's wait and watch. The current issue is resolved and B2 in good progress. So we are looking forward to meet this deadline on 16th. Again, we'll get back to you. Okay. Regarding multi-chain DEX aggregator, so this particular platform which we are building, this particular feature which we are working on, that is multi-chain, multi-asset transfer without gas fees. It's something which is still ongoing, but here I would like to add one point. Uh, why we are doing this? Because as you might already know that next billion users joining the crypto industry will not be humans. It will be AI agents, native payment infrastructure. So basically, for AI agents. Blockchains are like their credit cards. So and Sky has potential to be a AI agent native payment infrastructure. The reason being, like our core blockchain supports gasless transactions, so you can put a zero gas fee and also make a transaction, and I mean, it will be allowed. Again, it's much more technical. It's not that every transaction can be like a zero gas fees, but it has its own the sun, but it is allowed basically. Um, our block size is 100x than ETH or any other EVM basically. Okay, so that makes our each block be able to handle a lot more data and save much bigger data. uh, and this is the reason we have a 140k transaction per second TPS transaction speeds. Okay, and this is something which we have already tested. Okay, it's not something new claims we are making. All right. So this really creates a potential for Sky to be as a primary blockchain for the use by AI agents, and that is the reason we are, bringing in this multi-chain text aggregator. So this also allows us to create this a singular platform, which you know, uh, basically this will make that particular platform is mainly built towards a payment interface for AI agents. Okay, so if you are already using AI agents like a Cloudbot or Clawbot, um, for anything any other, you would be, so we will be basically building the base uh, infrastructure required for you to build the AI agents with the payment interface included in them. So we are working on it. Regarding CoinMask, this is another big update. We have agreed to unlock the approved edge cases from the support team. So basically, what we are saying is, um, that those who have their CoinMask CM tokens locked due to the, I mean, so what exactly happened? 10th of December, there was a an issue with the CoinMask smart contracts, which led to uh, additional CoinMask CM tokens being minted and being distributed as a rewards. So in order to stop that, we did froze all the wallets which were having the high supply of CoinMask, in order to make sure that first to stop the attack. So that was done. Then after that, for each and every wallet, there were total 190 wallets which got affected by this. And from this 190 wallets, I've been working since Thursday and almost last week also. Also the support team has been working on making sure that every edge case, so again, out of this 190, we have found four wallets which were genuinely bought CoinMask through their Sky tokens, and that was valid, and which was not like they have received it due to the error in the smart contract, but it was their hard-earned money, so that should be unlocked. So we have already approved four edge cases, and we are again still the process continues. There are We are still trying to find more and more edge cases where this was we want to, because again I firmly believe that a single innocent should not be the price for you know all the, if there are 100 hackers also. So we are just trying to make sure and get the things out. Again guys, it is technical. There has to be a lot of, it is time consuming process, so that is why it is taking time. And I think we should be good. Now we have, so for this four particular edge cases which we have already verified by the support team there, which is I mean, so that will be unlocked and unfrozen on Monday, as well as we are bringing another. So again, in order to make sure that it does not affect the price of the sky and price of the coin mask and does not rebalance anything, this particular coin mask CM tokens will be unlocked in the batches. Okay, it will not be like the full amount will be available and at a single time. It will be um, in a vested period. So it will be slowly unlocking in order to make sure that we don't get the dumps. And this is also just to safeguard the community and the community members. Okay, regarding DAO, we are making much progress. We are going. So again, as I said, last week it took much of the time on the coin mask and unfreezing this one. So a little bit of what do we call late on this particular site, but I think we can have the update on this by Thursday. Just one moment, guys. Go. Okay, so we can have the next update in Sky General Meeting 003. Okay, so we have already completed the DAO constitution, and we'll take it forward from there. I think this was it from my side for now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. If not, again, as I said before at the start of the show, I am also traveling. Yogesh is also in travel. Richie is also stuck. So today was not feel like it was not feasible for everybody to join in, and that was the reason I decided that okay, uh, I mean, as you know, uh, every Saturday 2 p.m. UTC sharp, I try to make sure that I at least get my message to the community by any way. But yeah, again, things are tough. Also, the global politics things. I don't have to tell you how it is going. You already know. You are seeing the news. You are much more. You are consuming more information than me probably, because I have to work and I have to get back to development. But the best part is the development is not going to stop anytime soon. So thank you very much everyone for joining in. Wishing every one of you a very happy weekend and a prosperous week ahead. And a productive week ahead. Next week, we are having a meeting on Thursday, which will be the Sky General meeting, and also the show on Saturday, 2 p.m. UTC sharp, as always. So stay tuned. We'll see you on Thursday. Everybody, have a great weekend. We'll see you on the other side. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat or on the Telegram group. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Thank you, everyone.